Srinivasa Sastry, the head boy of Hindu Senior Secondary School, Indira Nagar. Today, I stand before you to speak on a topic of profound historical significance, the unity of India and the remarkable role played by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in uniting our great nation in 1947. In the years leading up to 1947, India was a land of tremendous diversity, a mosaic of cultures, languages, religions, and princely states. The task of unifying this vast and diverse subcontinent fell upon Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who would later be honored with the title the Iron Man of India for his unyielding determination and unwavering commitment to this cause. The road to India's unity was fraught with challenges. The nation was not only divided among religious and linguistic lines, but also comprised more than 562 princely states, each with its own ruler and aspirations. Sardar Patel recognized that a united India was imperative for realizing the dreams of millions who longed for independence from British rule. His vision was clear. India must stand as one, a united and independent nation to truly fulfill the aspirations of its people. Sardar Patel embarked on an arduous journey of negotiations, persuasion, diplomacy, and integrated the princely states. He believed that the voluntary accession of these princely states into the Indian Union was the only way to achieve a united and strong India. His ability to build trust, resolve disputes, and inspire confidence among various princely rulers was unparalleled. Sardar Patel's role in unifying India extended beyond political negotiation. He understood that to achieve national unity, the people must come together in a spirit of brotherhood. He advocated for the assimilation of various cultures, languages, and traditions into a single nation. The spirit of unity in diversity is one of the core principles that continue to define our nation. In conclusion, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's role in uniting India in 1947 is a story of incredible perseverance, leadership, and a deep love for our motherland. His vision and dedication serve as an inspiration for all of us, reminding us that despite our differences, it is our unity that makes us strong. As we celebrate India's unity, let us also pay homage to the Iron Man of India and ensure that his legacy continues to guide us on the path of progress, unity, and prosperity.
Head girl of the Hindu Senior Secondary School. Togetherness leads to harmony and harmony leads to peace. Our nation celebrates today as the National Unity Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was born on October 31st, 1875. On this memorable day, our school, the Hindu Senior Secondary School, Indira Nagar, Chennai, celebrated the National Unity Day with profound enthusiasm. All the students from class 1 to 12 took part in the program. The celebration began with the Unity Pledge administered by the students of all classes. This was followed by the Unity Run by the students, which was a combination of tremendous enthusiasm, patriotism, and a spontaneous expression of vigor and vitality of our students. Manpower without unity is not strong. On this occasion of the National Unity Day, we must come together and thank Sardar Patel for all the work he did in integrating India. Warm wishes to all.
Today, I, Aruna, the Cultural Secretary, here to talk about remarkable symbol of India's pride, the Statue of Unity. This extraordinary monument stands as a pride to India's rich heritage and its commitment to principles of unity and diversity. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue at a height of 182 meters, making it a true representation of India's ambition. It was unveiled on October 31st, 2018 in Gujarat in honor of our India's greatest leader, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel, also known as Iron Man of India, played a crucial role in India's struggle for independence. His vision of a united and diverse India has left a memorable mark on our nation's history. His efforts laid the foundation of India's success as a democratic society. The Statue of Unity pays tribute to this visionary leader and serves as a powerful reminder of the need for national unity in a country as diverse as India. In a land where multiple languages, religions, and cultures coexist, the statue reminds us that, like the iron framework that holds together, This magnificent statue has quickly become a symbol of our nation's pride, attracting tourists from all over the world. It stands as a reminder of the immense potential that lies within India. In conclusion, the Statue of Unity is not just a remarkable piece of art, but a profound embodiment of unity. It stands tall, inspiring us to appreciate our diversity and to work together to build a stronger and prosperous nation. Thank you.
मुझ पे कोई गम की आंचल